Hi. Do it again. Oh, look at how strong you are. Brody. Look at how strong you are. You just want to sit straight up, don't you? You just want to sit straight up, don't you? Well, I know. It's so hard. You having a good time over there, Brody? Are you having a good time? Mm. Oh my! Yeah. Well, oh, what is that? What? Hi. Well, tell me about it. Well, tell me about it. Oh, yeah. I know. What else happened today? What else? What else happened? Well, did you have fun hanging out at Shannon's? Did you have fun? What did you do at Shannon's, Brody? What did you do at Shannon's house? You just know you're on camera now. And you're being a little shy, aren't you? You don't have to be shy. Only the ones that love you are going to watch it. Yeah. You should give them a big smile. Brody, give everybody a big smile. Brody. I'm going to be a sweet boy. Give everybody a sweet smile. Brody. Hey. Hey. Give everybody a smile. Yes. Give everybody a smile. Brody, look at Mommy. Brody. Hey, Brody. Look at Mama. Brody. Look at me. It's like you're frozen. It's just a camera, honey. Look at Mama. Up here. Look at Mama. Brody. Brody. Hi. Hi. Are you going to give everyone a smile? Are you going to give everyone a smile? Yeah. You should. It's so cute. Brody. Hi. Hi. This is my boy. Say hi, Mama. Oh, yeah? Oh, we don't need any of that, Papa. pouty lip. Oh. No smiles today? Oh. No smiles today? Oh. Well, you're just getting sleepy? Who's getting sleepy? Oh, it's almost your bedtime. Wow. See, look at that. You are tired. Yeah. Had a long day. Had a long day, didn't you? Tell everybody that you just learned about the book of Genesis. Thanks to Papa John and Mary Ann. You got a little children's Bible, and we just read the book of Genesis. You tell everybody that you just loved it. You loved it, didn't you? Mm-hmm. What else? What else, Brody? Anything else for everybody? Just say I love you to everyone. Just say love you. Love you all. Love you all. Yeah. Yes. We love you. We love you. Your eyes are going cross a little bit. Is that too close? Sorry. So sorry. Say bye-bye, everybody. Say bye-bye. Say love you. Love you. Oh.